charts are good and we both like charts, and most people trade with that. But what are some other catalysts that you could look at maybe?
Hey, it's Walter here, and you're at the Think Profit podcast, where we're going to help you develop a rock-solid trading confidence and avoid the potentially endless cycle of system switching. Right, Hugh?
That's right. We're going to help you develop a wealth mindset, develop a trading strategy that fits your core personality, and help you overcome the obstacles that stop over 90% of traders.
All right, Hugh, sounds good. You ready to go?
Yeah, let's do this.
Hey, Hugh. So we have a question here from one of our traders, and he is wondering about how should he go about trading and getting to the point where he knows which catalyst he should be using to trade. So he wants to find the right catalyst. And so my thoughts are that inside of this question, if we sort of unpack it, he's basically saying that he needs to know what the right pattern or the right catalyst. So the way I talk about it in Naked Forks is a catalyst is a pattern at a certain support and resistance level. Obviously, you could use trend lines, you could use other things. You don't have to use support and resistance levels, but a lot of traders do, and that's why they kind of become obvious on the charts. So what's interesting is he's kind of suggesting that he needs to find the right catalyst for him, but he doesn't actually come out and say that. He actually says, I need to find the right catalyst. So, because he doesn't say that all catalysts are making money, which one should I use, or which one makes the most money. He just says, I need to find the right one. So really what this comes down to, I think, is discovering what you as a person, like what you think as a trader about the markets. What do you think they're going to do? What do you think they will do? What do you think they're likely to do? That's all up to you, right? That's your, double bottoms and double tops make a lot of sense to some people because they like to find that sort of reversal point. And then trend continuation patterns make sense to other people. So, or breakouts make sense to other people. So it really depends on what you look for as a trader. Does that make sense? So what are your thoughts?
Hey there, I hope you're finding this episode useful. I just wanted to let you know that Walter and I give away something valuable every month that helps traders improve their skills. You can enter to win by simply leaving an iTunes review and leaving a comment on our YouTube videos. At the end of each month, we'll look at the comments and reviews from the month, and we'll pick a winner at random. Each comment and each review counts for one entry during the month that it's submitted. So if you're interested in that, be sure to enter after this podcast is over. All right, back to the episode.
Yeah, no, totally. I think there's actually kind of two questions in there, right? There's the beginner's question of he's actually saying, what system should I use, right? And that implies some sort of technical system or whatever. But then if you take it a little bit deeper, it could also mean, what works for me? What kind of catalyst should I be using? And that might not be a chart pattern. Maybe you're trading the cocoa market and you know something about the companies in the cocoa market, and you'll use that as a trading catalyst and not necessarily what's on the chart. So I think a couple of things to consider there. Obviously, charts are good and we both like charts, and most people trade with that. But what are some other catalysts that you could look at maybe that's more in the futures and stock market maybe, but FX has some of those types of catalysts. Also, like I know you look at the retail traders, right? Their ratios and stuff like that. So that might be another catalyst that he can look at. So just something to think about there.
Yeah. There's lots of triggers, aren't there? Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So it really, like, I guess I just want people to get away from this idea of like there's a best pattern or whatever. It's really about what matches up with you. Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
All information in this podcast is for educational and informational purposes only and is not trading or investment advice.